I am Peter Humphrey. I am a specialist on China and have been engaged in China for 48 years. I and my wife were arrested in Shanghai in 2013. Our due diligence company was forcibly shut down after we conducted a background investigation for an American client. Today's situation is 10 times worse than in 2013. Due diligence has become impossible, so that most businesses now have to fly blind or tiptoe through minefields. I used to advise my clients how to avoid the landmines, but then one day in 2013 I stepped on one myself and was arbitrarily imprisoned for 2 years with medical treatment refused to me, and I developed cancer. This month, Xi Jinping introduced a beefed up anti-espionage law and a xenophobic foreign relations law. He is waging war against the tiniest iota of information flowing across China's border and launching raids against due diligence and other consulting firms and arresting their staff. Every American business today must understand that nobody and no company is safe in China. These new laws are vague enough to be used against anybody or any company when they acquire information or pass information back to their headquarters. Unlike criminal violations of privacy, which were used against me in 2013 and for which you could be sentenced to up to 3 years, now you will be hit with the espionage law with maximum sentences of life in jail and even death. Foreigners seeking to do business in the Chinese market dream of an El Dorado without understanding its legal and cultural differences and the pitfalls of being there. The skyscrapers and bars of Shanghai look like a paradise, but they are a veneer covering up a deadly swamp. Today, I do not believe it is possible for any foreign company to get the information they need to provide assurances that a business deal or a business operation is safe and clean. All enhanced due diligence has ground to a halt, and research is now limited to what you can find online in public sources. But even public information on Chinese websites may now fall under the espionage law when it is collected by or for a foreign business. This means that business decisions cannot be made with any certainty about the integrity of your counterparties and the state of the playing field. Whether it is an M&A project, national statistical data, or day-to-day business operations requiring market research, none of these things can now be done safely in China. And when these things cannot be done in a manner which satisfies US compliance requirements, such as the FCPA or the SOX or sanctions, businesses must walk away. The fiduciary duties of American companies simply cannot be fulfilled in China today.